What's the fastest way to get rid of a house? Sell it as is for cash. And we can help you do it. At True American Homes, we buy houses in any condition, with no repairs, no agents, and no fees. Whether you're moving, dealing with a divorce, or just need to be done with it, we'll take it off your hands. We'll give you a fair cash offer and close in as little as 5 days. We handle the paperwork. You walk away with cash. No cleaning, no showings, no stress. Visit our website or call us at 801 513 1384.